welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on the Viva Taco palette by GlamLite. This retails for $38 and it features 15 shades. However, you can get 15% off of this using an influencer's code. So I used the code ChrisMo and I got 15% off. Chris Mo is a small YouTuber that I actually watch here on YouTube, and we actually talk on Instagram and all of that stuff, so I thought it would be awesome to support her while supporting an indie brand. So I'll have her linked down below, and if she comments on this video, I'll pin her comment so y'all can easily see her. So what's gonna go down in this video is that I'm going to swatch this palette for y'all, and then I'm gonna create this look. This has to be one of my favorite looks that I have ever created, so if you're interested in all of that, just continue watching. We're going to start this video off with the swatches. I already have the top row swatched on my arm. This is onions, this is Mexican cheese, radishes, pollo, guacamole, cilantro, and lime. This looks like Social Blade from the James Charles palette. But that is the top row. Moving on to the middle and bottom row. This is carnitas, pico de gallo, salsa roja, red cabbage, pickled carrots, al pastor, salsa verde, and carne asada. So those are all of the swatches. They swatch beautifully, and if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just continue watching. So the first shade we're gonna dig into is carne asada, and it's this dark brown right here with my Morphe 321 brush. And we're gonna put it all over our crease. And after we have that shade laid down, we're gonna go into pickled carrots and blend carne asada out. After we are done blending that out, we're just gonna go back into carne asada with our Morphe 321 brush and pack that in our outer V. Now we're going to use our dynamic duo, which is the P. Louise eye base and the Alamar packing brush, in order to cut our crease. We go in, we go in. Okay, and when we are done cutting our crease, we're gonna dig into the shade Pico de Gallo, which is this orange shimmer shade, with the packing brush from the Anastasia Dual Ended brush. And we're gonna pack that where the brown meets our P. Louise eye base. Ooh. Immediately loving this orange. Oh my lord, this orange, everything I needed in my life. I can't. Now I'm just gonna go into pollo with the blending side and blend out the outer corner. Now we're gonna dig into our color switch and go in with the gold, which is called Mexican cheese right here. Just put it right next to the orange Pico de Gallo. These shimmers are way better than a lot of shimmers that I have tried. Way better than Morphe shimmers. And then I'm gonna go right back into pico de gallo and blend that into Mexican cheese. And then back into Mexican cheese. Color switch is life. And blend it into pico de gallo. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Onion with my Morphe 213 brush. And we're gonna pack that right in the inner third. Okay, so that looks like a white shimmer, but it pays off like a gold green shimmer. That is a beautiful shade. I'm just gonna blend. And I'm gonna take the ColourPop liquid liner in the white shade and just outline my cut crease. Hopefully I don't mess up on this part. Okay, I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I'm in love, 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 accidentally in love. I'm in love, I'm in love. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna recreate this on the other side and we're gonna go into the lower lash line. So we are back with our face beat and our eyes done. I did not do eyeliner because I feel like that would have taken away from the look and I'm really digging this. So we're just gonna go into our lower lash line. I think I'm gonna dig into Carnitas with my Morphe 213 and put that in my inner third of the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna dig into Salsa Roja with my Morphe M506 and just go into my middle third. And then lastly, I want to go into Red Cabbage with the same brush and just sweep that in my outer third into my mid third. Alright, so now we're gonna just put mascara on our lower lash line and we should be done. And y'all, this is our final look. Using the Taco palette. Now, let me know if there is any shade that is calling out to you so I know what to use for my next video using this palette, because I used 5, which is 1/3 of the whole palette, and I want to use more of them because these shimmers are giving me life and I'm thoroughly impressed. This is the first time I use GlamLite eyeshadows and I can attest to the fact that they are bomb. And don't forget, you guys can use Chrismo's code to save 15% off of your order. She's an awesome YouTuber. I will have her linked down below, so check her out. And if she comments on this, I'm gonna pin her comment so y'all can easily find her. But that is all I had for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video as much as I like creating it. I think this might be my favorite look that I've ever created. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye. Can't have a taco palette video without an actual taco.